guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing something sort of like the Simple Dimple Pop-It thing, but it's going to be with different stuff. I am doing Simple Dimples, a Simple Dimple and 2 Pop-Its, but that still doesn't mean that I am not doing it, that I'm copying. And also, there are 2 Pop-Its that are not mine in this video. I will show them to you at the end. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Simple Dimple. Dimple. Pop-Its. I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share starting in 3, 2, 1. Squishies. Cupcake. Donut. Banana. Pop tubes. Monkey noodles. By the way, you guys, this is not mine. This is also my friend. She left it at my house the other day, so this is also not mine. So yeah, guys, these are all of my fidgets. But this is a homemade fidget that I made. You can't really see it, but it doesn't pop very good. And then this one, my friend's sister made when she babysat us yesterday. This is a dimple. It even has a good side and a bad side. This is the bad, and this is the good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Bye!